Bonjour everyone! Planning a trip to France soon and unsure about the best way to stay connected without breaking the bank? Say goodbye to sluggish overseas data roaming plans and the nightmare of high roaming charges. In this comprehensive video, I'll navigate through the maze of SIM cards and eSIM options to help you make the right choice for your 2024 trip to France. So stick around as I break down the essentials, from the crucial decision between SIM cards and eSIMs, to the best spot for purchasing a SIM card at Charles de Gaulle or Orly airports, or Gare du Nord for Euro-style Thalys arrivals, and even explore the convenient options of renting a Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's ensure your journey through Paris is not only seamless, but also well connected. Now, let's dive into the details. When it comes to staying connected in Paris, you have two primary options. Purchase a traditional SIM card, or, if your phone supports it, use the newer eSIM technology. For travelers, opting for an eSIM brings added security, as it can't be removed if your phone is lost or stolen. Also, there's no need to worry about swapping physical SIM cards, and ultimately, you can set up your eSIM before jetting off to your destination, ensuring a seamless and secure connection throughout your journey. While a multitude of eSIM providers cover the French market, to me there are three noteworthy choices: Orange, Bouygues Telecom, and Nomad. When considering Orange, the prominent telecom provider in France, you have two compelling options. The first is the €19.99 plan, which includes 12 GB of data, 30 minutes of international calls, and remains valid for 14 days across Europe. Alternatively, there's the €39.99 plan, offering 30 GB of data, 2 hours of international calls, and the same 14-day validity throughout Europe. When exploring Bouygues Telecom, the third largest national telecom operator in France, the €39.90 plan emerges as an attractive choice. This plan provides similar services to the equivalent Orange option, including generous data and international calls, but with the added advantage of an extended 30-day validity period. Nomad stands out as a digital eSIM marketplace catering to global travelers, including those visiting France. While their largest data plans may not compete with offerings from Orange and Bouygues, Nomad provides a compelling option for travelers seeking a limited data plan without the need for phone calls or SMS. Their 5 GB plan, priced at $14, offers a cost-effective solution tailored to specific connectivity needs during your time in France. Upon arrival at Charles de Gaulle or Orly airport, acquiring a prepaid SIM card is limited to two options: tourist information desks and relay convenience stores. In Charles de Gaulle Terminal 1, the tourist information desk is conveniently located to your left just after the luggage claim exit. It's open from 7:15 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. At this desk, you'll be offered the familiar Bouygues Telecom plan we discussed earlier in the eSIM section, 30 GB for 30 days at €39.90. Tourist information desks are also available at the arrival levels of Terminal 2BD, 2E and 2F, and at Orly Airport, you can locate them at the arrival levels in Terminal 1 and 3. You'll discover a wealth of information at these locations, and interestingly, you can even purchase the Paris Museum Pass, which we explored in my previous video. Second option to purchase a SIM card at Charles de Gaulle Airport, the relay convenience stores. There are 34 of them, but only 8 are available after luggage claim, and not always on the arrival level. At these locations, varying in store size, you'll encounter not only the Orange and Bouygues Telecom plans we previously discussed, but also additional options that may better suit your specific requirements. At Orly Airport, you'll discover 6 relay convenience stores positioned after luggage delivery, 2 in Terminal 1 and Terminal 4, and 1 each in Terminals 2 and 3. If you're arriving in Paris from Belgium or the Netherlands by Thalys, or from the UK with the Eurostar, you'll find yourself at Gare du Nord, But don't worry, I've got you covered too. Just 30 meters to your right, you'll encounter a relay convenience store, offering the same prepaid SIM card selection as the relay stores found within the airports. And 200 meters to your left, you'll find an even larger one. But for the best deals, a touch of adventure is required. Venture outside the station for more budget-friendly options. In the vicinity of the station, numerous small shops abound, offering SIM cards from alternative operators at more affordable prices. A mere 100 meters to the left of Gare du Nord, cross the street, and you'll be right in front of Cell City, a hotspot for fantastic bargains. This is a 10GB SIM kit from SFR, France's second largest telecom operator, available for just €14.99. It's valid for 30 days, but only in France. And this kit, at the same price, includes 60GB of data for 30 days. You can even have 100GB for €14.99, but then you have to purchase the SIM card at €5. Within the immediate vicinity of the train station, dozens of shops await, providing ample opportunities to purchase these budget-friendly prepaid SIM plans. With generously sized data plans at remarkably reasonable prices, you can easily activate the Wi-Fi hotspot feature on your phone, extending data access to everyone traveling with you. Talking about Wi-Fi hotspots, remember those tourist information desks at Charles de Gaulle Airport? Well, here's another intelligent alternative: renting a Wi-Fi hotspot. And the best part is, you can conveniently secure one right there. That's because they have an exclusive agreement with TravelWiFi.com. On TravelWiFi.com, you have the option to rent a portable hotspot for the duration of your stay. And the best part? It gets delivered right to these tourist information desks at Charles de Gaulle or Orly Airport. At just €7.14 per day, you can secure this portable hotspot, allowing connectivity for up to 5 additional devices, all with a generous 5GB daily data plan. And when your Parisian adventure concludes, simply return the portable hotspot to the tourist information desk. It's hassle-free from start to finish. Wrapping up our guide to staying connected in Paris, we've explored the ins and outs of SIM cards, eSIMs, and even discovered a smart alternative with portable hotspots. Whether you opt for the convenience of a local SIM, the modern approach of an eSIM, or the flexibility of a rented Wi-Fi hotspot, the choice is yours. Please tell me in the comments section what would be your preferred solution. And then, as you embark on your journey through the City of Light, may your connectivity be seamless, your adventures memorable, and your devices always well connected. Safe travels and à bientôt!